Hello. So I know this is very hard for you, uh, but you need to do this. This is your final requirement. You know? So there are only two section exercises that you need to do here. Exercise 5.1 and exercise 5.2. Okay, so exercise 5.1 is how many? Uh, and there are basically ito rin yung magpapakita sa final exam ninyo. So, I hope you are doing this. Pero sa final exam ninyo, I'm going to give the graphs kasi hindi naman ninyo makukuha yung Desmos ninyo. Okay? There are 57 items. Okay? So, there are 57 items for 5.1. So, I'm going to make a series of videos para dito. The deadline, actually, you can submit this not next week. Let me see. You can submit this until December 20 if you want. Okay? So I am accepting naman submission, soft copy and hard copy. So yung pagka-submit ninyo ng soft copy, yun na yung day of submission ninyo. So yung hard copy pwede nang to follow later on for your final grade kasi your grade should be sent to MMSU on December 21. So, kailangan kong matapos yung grade ninyo by December 21. Sige. So, let us do some problems dito sa exercise 5.1 natin. Gagawin ko every first problem of every question. Okay? So, for example, yung question number 1 to 4, since ito 5.1.1, sagutan ko yung isa. Okay? Okay, exercise 5.1.1, state whether the given sums are equal or unequal. Okay, so basically ginagawa natin dito is to expand the two given sums. Summation of I is from 1 to 10. The first one is, okay, yan, summation, okay, summation of I is equal to 1 to 10. And the other one is K from 1 to 10. Okay, summation of K is from 1 to 10. Okay, so for the first summation, if we want to expand this, yung I daw natin magsisimula from 1 and then it will end up until 10. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, then plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. Okay, this is equal to, okay, calculator na lang ako dito sa laptop ko. Okay, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus is 55. Okay, so the sum is 55. Okay, For this one, our k is going from 1 to 10. So this is also 1. Basically, parehas sila from 1 to 10. So this is also equal to 55. If they are equal, then your answer for question number 1 is the sums are equal. Okay, so the sums are equal. You can do that for the remaining 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so ang ginagawa niya lang dyan is to substitute for I from a series of numbers and then K from series of numbers or J. Okay, so sagutan din natin number 4 para meron kayong ano para sa mahirap. Summation of I times I minus 1 from I 1 to 10. Okay, so yung una is summation of I times I minus 1. Your I is going from 1 to 10. And the other one is k squared minus k from 1 to 10. Okay? And summation of k squared minus k. Your k is from 1 to 10. K squared minus k. Yan. Okay? So, this one, okay, you can just substitute dito. You start from 1. So, I'm going to use my calculator. I cannot find my calculator. My scientific calculator. Yan. Yan. Later on, gagamitin natin yan. Okay, ito, substitute lang natin yung 1. Okay, I times I minus 1. So this is 1 times 1 minus 1 for the first one. And then plus. Go to 2. 2 times 2 minus 1. Pinapalitan natin yung I. Then plus. Go to 3. 3 times 3 minus 1. Plus 4 times 4 minus 1. And then plus 5 times 5 minus 1. And then plus hanggang 10 ito. 6 minus 1 plus 7 times 7 minus 1 plus 8 times 8 minus 1 plus 9 times 9 minus 1. And finally, this is 10 times 10 minus 1. So basically, this is 1 times 0, 2 times 1, 3 times 2, plus 4 times 3. Yan. Okay, so calculator natin. So the first one is 0. 0 plus 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3 times 2 is 6 plus 4 times 3 is 12. And then plus 5 times 4 is 20. And then plus 6 times 5 is 30. And then plus 7 times 6 is 42. And then plus 8 times 7 is 56. And then plus 9 times 8 is 72. And then plus 10 times 9 is 90. And equals 330. So the first one is equal to 330. Okay. So this one is equal to 330. Okay. Okay, how about the other one? So this is k squared minus k from 1 to 10. Okay, this is 1 squared minus 1 plus 2 squared minus 2 plus 3 squared minus 3 plus 4 squared minus 4 plus 5 squared minus 5 plus 6 squared minus 6 plus 7 squared minus 7 plus 8 squared minus 8 plus 9 squared minus 9, and finally 10 squared minus 10. So this one is equal to, this one is 0 plus 4 minus 2 is 2 plus 9 minus 3 is 6. Basically, they are the same. Pare-parehas yung bawat term. 0, 2, yan. So, parehas sila. Tingnan ninyo. They are the same. Okay, so this is also 330. Please check this one. Okay, that's how you answer yung question 1, 2, yung question number 1. Okay, now the other question is how do I write this? How do I encode this one? Punta kayo sa Word ninyo. Yung Word kasi, it requires a little bit of work, pero if you are already doing it for a while, medyo okay na. Okay, the long method, ito yung long method niya. If you want to insert, for example, yung solution natin for the first one is summation of I is from 1 to 10. You can do insert, ito sa insert, and then equation dito, and then insert yung equation. Okay? And then yan, summation. So, nandito na lahat ng mga ninyo, mga kailangan ninyo for math. Okay, yung summation nandito siya. You can explore. Ito yung sa fraction, ito yung subscript, ito yung sa radical, integral, large operator, nandito yung summation natin. Yung summation nandyan lang. Oh. This one. Oh, use this one, summation, and then just press I, and then click the one I is equal to 1, and then click this one, 10 from I is from 1 to 10, and then equals. Make sure you do not go out from this box, okay, when you are typing. And then this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 55. And then you can very easy, right? Just insert an equation. Pero meron ding shortcut method, okay? Instead of writing insert or doing insert equation, you just press alt and then plus. Okay? Yung sa plus sign. Okay? Para mag-insert ng equation, you do insert equation. The shortcut method for insert equation is alt, and then dapat simultaneously press with yung plus sign. Yung sa baba niya equals, plus equals. So dapat kat agidan dito yung ipisit yo. Alt and then plus equals. So I'm going to do that in my Word. So this one is I'm going to press alt and equal sign, alt plus. So meron na type equation here agad. Okay, so nagpakita na rin yung equation tools natin dito sa taas. So you can immediately do insert, yan, and then summation of your k. Your k is from 1 to 10. And you can do, lumabas ako sa box, I need to press yung sa arrow button ko to the left. Dapat nagpapakita pa rin yung box every time I put something. Okay? Equals 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 equals 55. And you can type the two sums. For your conclusion, the two sums are equal. And that's it. Okay, okay na yan for the first 4 problems. Okay, I'm going to make another video for the next set of problem. Okay.